Hello and welcome to this checkmate in 2 chess puzzle from 1878. Black just has the king, a pair of knights, a bishop and a pawn. White has the king, 3 pawns, a pair of rooks, queen, bishop and knight. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Moving the rook to e4, taking the knight is only a checkmate in 3. Black can take back with their knight. You can try and check with the queen, but black can block with their knight. And after that, you can only move in for the checkmate in 3. Moving the queen to b6 is another mate in 3, but not 2. Black can take one of the rooks with their bishop. You can then check the king with the other rook. Black can take back though with the knight, and then finally you can mate in 3 with your knight. Taking the knight on e4 with the rook that was on d4 is only actually a mate in 4. Black can take back with their knight. You can check the king with the other rook, but the king can escape. And then check with the queen. After the king moves, you can then finally mate in 4. You don't get a mate in 2 by checking the king with the rook to d5. The king can escape. Try and check with the queen, but black can block. There's no mate in 2 this way. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the queen to b8. If black pushes the c-pawn, you can move either of the rooks to e4 to checkmate in 2. If black moves the knight that's on e4, then you can move the queen to e6, taking the other knight to checkmate in 2. If black decides to take the rook on d4 with the king, you can again take the knight on d6 to checkmate in 2 with the queen. If black decides to take the rook on f4, you can move the queen to d6 to checkmate in 2. If black takes the rook on d4 with the bishop, you can then move the rook to f5 to checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe to not miss out on future chess puzzles, and I'll see you again soon.